Take a deep breath and let go of the stress. Nature has a calming effect on our minds. Studies show that spending time in natural settings can reduce anxiety and improve mood. Even watching peaceful animal scenes can bring a sense of tranquility. Remember, it's okay to pause and find joy in the simple moments. Embrace the serenity of nature and let it rejuvenate your spirit. Stay connected to the natural world. It's a beautiful path to inner peace.
SnuggleTails-Studio.